Good evening, students. Welcome you to the English language class. Today we are starting our first unit, which is introduction. Now basically, what is introduction? Introduction we can use in two places. Number one, introduction we can use for people, and number two, we can talk about things. Now there's an introduction on about people who are traveling by ship. We'll start like this. Number one, hello, I'm Junaid. Hello, I'm Emma. Nice to meet you. Now whenever we meet someone, obviously for the first time, we will always tell them, nice to meet you. People, and what reply we will give them? Me too. And in English, there's a rule that we'll never repeat a sentence again. We will always give another answer to it, right? Like me too, I said. As we go on, by the way, are you a teacher? No, I'm a student. Now in American English, basically we use contracted words. And where British English we use the whole term. Now as we go on, obviously we are traveling, so the students will, or the people on the ship will always ask questions. Where are you going? New York. And you? London. Now whenever we ask a question like I told you above, when we answer it, we never repeat it again. We will give the answer and give another question to it. Like I said, New York, and you, London. As we go on further, for what purpose? For what reason we are going there? Business, and you, vacations. That means holidays. How long? Like I told you before, that we will never use how much or how many when we are unknown of the period of time. So we'll say how long. How long means the time is not confirmed. So we'll say how long? 10 days. And you? A week. Now usually Pakistani people always use 1 week. They always simply say 1 week. In English, we'll never say 1 week. We will always say a week. Right? Then, anyway, it's been a pleasure meeting you. Same here. Now, as you've seen above, that nice to meet you in the starting we will say, and we'll give the reply me too. But when we are ending the conversation, we will always use, anyway, it's been a pleasure meeting you. Pleasure basically means happiness. So always we will end the introduction with using, anyway, it's been a pleasure meeting you. And again, we have an option for me too, that is same here. So we use same here over here. Then again, when we end up, or obviously when you end up and you always give your contact or something, then you will come and look over here. When we end up, you say, this is my contact. Whenever you come to New York, please do contact me. Now in English, the word do simply means to do something. But over here, do over here is expressed as do. Do means I will come over here. I will definitely meet you. And so we say, New York, please do contact me. So it's confirming that you will have to meet me whenever you come to New York. So this is confirming it. And obviously I will in the end of say, sure, why not? Okay, bye. See you then. Bye. Now this is the end of the introduction. Thank you very much, students.